Unboxing my $150 Thread Beast, exploring style surprises inside.
It's worth it. So I just got my Thread Beast box for the month of August. So excited about it. It arrives in its typical black recycled pizza box, probably box. And I paid $150 for this. So let's see if it's worth it. So first things first, I'm gonna cut it open with one of these. I don't know where my knife went, but this should do the trick. Son of a bitch. All right, that kind of worked. All right, it's a moment of truth. Hell yeah. First up, some Grizzly undies. My size for more sexy time. Adjust the camera. Ooh. Seems like I got a graphic tee. I appreciate that. From the brand Broken Promises. Next up, I got some shorts. I love it. Absolutely love it.